Hey, it's Adam from Tested, and I'm about to embark on a cool little build. I have been working with my friend Fawn Davis at Fawnco, who has been doing all the heavy lifting for building Anakin's starfighter for Nate at Magic Wheelchair for this year's Comic-Con Magic Wheelchair reveal. And I am contributing the guidance computer, otherwise known as my favorite droid and the best MacGuffin in movie history, R2-D2, specifically R2-D2's head. I'm in full production on Mythbusters Jr., among other things, and this is all that I had time to do, but it's my favorite part because it's R2, and it's a special, unique R2. It's Mirror Universe Bizarro Upside Down World R2. He's actually reversed. If you'll notice, the data displays over here are on the right, should be on the left. They should be on this side. That's just a little Easter egg for those who pay close attention. I've given him a pre-coat of some chrome paint and a clear sealer, and I'm about to add some blue metallic paint that I have not used before. I'm kind of excited to see how it will go. And well, very shortly, I'll be meeting Fawn and Nate and the Magic Wheelchair people at San Diego Comic-Con to put it all together. It's funny that in masking the R2, I've made it the reverse of its reverse, right? Which is that everything that's silver is now blue, and everything that was silver is now blue, and everything that is silver will be blue after I pull off all the masking. I've said this before, I love masking because peeling off masking is like Christmas. And I'll be using a paint that I have not used before. This is a Duplicolor metal cast anodized coating. It's meant to look like anodized aluminum, and Ryan Nagata referenced and recommended this paint to me. He uses it for his Apollo fittings, which are anodized aluminum. So I'm looking forward to seeing just how good it is. Here we go. All right. I think I've done everything I need to do on this. Let me just double check. It never hurts to double check. Make sure the lines are crisp. Ooh, no, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I'll hit that with a little silver later. Yeah, actually, I can get I'll get it later. Okay. The metal cast is a clear blue spray meant to go over a bright chrome. And since I sealed this to get it more of an R2 chrome, which is not super shiny, I'm going to hit this again with a bright chrome before I hit it with this.
Here we go. All right, here goes nothing. I'm going on with light coats. It's a new paint. I don't know how it's going to respond, but I want to make sure I get this right. All right, let's see how it dries.
All right. It is still a little ginger, and so am I. It is still a little bit of a delicate coat, but I'm going to start peeling off the masking because I just can't wait. Oh, look at that. I would be remiss if I did not give a shout out here to our awesome friends at Carbon 3D who printed this thing in a very short period of time. Thanks to Fawn for letting me join in on his incredible build, Billy Brooks for doing some of the modeling, and yeah, Carbon 3D for doing the printing. And thanks, Tyler. Right? It's like Christmas. That is lovely. Go. That, my friends, is a very respectable, quick and dirty R2-D2. Okay, so now I need to work on this. Let me just see if I can. All right, it is all over, but for the drying, I'm gonna leave this overnight. I'll give it a clear coat before I leave for Comic-Con. I'm gonna add a couple of stickers for the data displays, and Nate, I will see you at Comic-Con. Once again, thanks to Fawn Davis for doing so much of the amazing work on this build and letting me to contribute one little part. Thanks to Magic Wheelchair for letting me participate. Thanks to Carbon 3D, Tyler. Is that everybody? And Nate, I can't wait to see you in your Jedi starfighter. All right, see you guys at Comic-Con. With drool! It has drool! 3, 2, 1!
lot of ways to get involved. We talked about if you're creative and you like to build stuff, please jump on board. We'd love to have you. If you're not creative and you want to get involved in doing something good, please get involved. You can head over to our website and volunteer. And you can also donate. The driving force of nonprofits is people getting involved and donating. And our mission is to build for every kiddo in a wheelchair. And we won't stop until that happens. And then once we do that, we'll start over and do it again. So please get involved. Help us to come back to San Diego next year.
This is so inspiring, and not just for all the makers that participated in bringing these kids into the experience that we love about San Diego Comic-Con, but also letting people know that this is such an inclusive hobby that we can all participate in. So a round of applause for all the incredible builders. And for the kids, thank you guys so much. Ryan, you guys are an inspiration, and the kids inspire me every day. Thank you, Ben.